units, comments added.
Business 30 status. 130 in.
Control 3897, knowledge 541, and I'll be back in Redwood City.
12 of 16. Go ahead. We're slow rolling over River Bridge, 1019 this way. Vehicle. We're taking 630 west here. I'm gonna get past this first exit. I'm gonna get on
See units, comments added.
When you open that,
past 10 more,
that's very proud as well.
taking the one.
See units, comments added.
He took off when we were southbound. This is Maine. Past 15. That's all right. We're east on 16. Excuse me, west on 16. West on 16. Still west on 16. West on 16. No practice. Just crossed over Broadway. Still west on 16. Just crossed over Chester. Westbound on 16. Got a gap right there. It stops. Passing him up there. North of Battery.
North of Battery.
See units, comments added.
See your fucking hands! I'll shoot you! I'll shoot your motherfucking ass! Left hand, now! Left hand! Hands! Hands, goddammit! Don't you fucking move! I'll fucking shoot your ass! I will fucking shoot you. You stay right there. Don't you fucking move. Don't fucking move. I will shoot your ass. The slack is out of this trigger. I will fucking shoot you. Then don't you fucking move. You understand me? Stay right the fuck there. I swear to God, I'll shoot your fucking ass. Don't be fucking running. Don't you fucking move. Don't be fucking moving. Stay right there. Don't fucking move. Don't fucking move.
So is he on 16 or not?
He's on battery.
On batteries, just south of 10th. I got him fitted. Got one gun. Don't fucking move. I swear to God, don't you fucking move. Need to get him out. Hey, there any weapons on you?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Roll that fucking window down.
Hey, you in my car?
Who else is in the car with you?
Nobody.
Hey, come around this side. Hey, hands! Don't you fucking move your goddamn hands! I'll fucking shoot your ass! You don't know. I did not fucking tell you to move. Stay right where the fuck you're at. I'm not playing fucking games. Then stay where the fuck you're at. I was not talking to you. Shut the fuck up and listen. Hey, Little Rock, come around here with me. Watch your cross. Come around the backside. Unlock the car. Unlock the fucking car. Crawl your fucking ass out over here. I swear to God, if your hand's going anywhere, I will fucking shoot you. Crawl your fucking ass straight over that seat. Get over the seat.
Can I lift my steering wheel up?
Get over the fucking seat.
Just obey his directions now.
Straight on the fucking ground. I don't want to see your hands go anywhere. Straight on the fucking ground.
Damn, man.
Hands behind your back.
I didn't do anything, bro. That's crazy. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything, man. That's crazy, bro.
Go up on your side. Up on your butt. Set up, be the super right. Get up.
Ain't nobody in there but me, man.
Fuck you running for, dude?
I didn't run.
You're so full of
Bro,
shit.
you hit my car for no reason.
You're so full of shit.
Crazy fuck.
Felony fleeing. Felony fucking fleeing. What you get? Because you felony fucking fleed.
I did not flee. You hit my car for no reason.
You've been fucking fleeing since Broadway. You got a light. Ignore my cuff. Lock that. Hey, Cat. How do you lock these cuffs?
There's a little latch back here.
Push down on it?
Like that.
Going to jail?
Hell yeah, you going to jail.
That's crazy.
That ain't crazy.
I didn't do anything at all.
Did? Yeah. Yeah. Slide in. You almost got your ass shot, too.
Yeah, because you want to roll, bro.
Get in.
You tripping.
Thank y'all. I appreciate it. Man, nothing. I think we're good. We should be good. We'll get a record. That's net still direct? Starting to 11 for Arkansas David Boy, 412-950. 412-950. Hey, I'm gonna back off of him just a little bit. You hear me? I'm gonna back off of him. Hell yeah, you're going to jail. You kidding me?